Hello. This is Els coming to you from Beaver's Crafty Corner. And I got some stuff. I got a box. I got a box in the mail. I love this. I bought something and I didn't even have time to forget I bought it. Or what I bought. So that's really good because, it was quick. It was quick. She invoiced quickly. I paid quickly. And it's here. And I bought this stuff last week. Like middle of last week. And it's already here. And she shipped it all media mail, so it came very inexpensive, less than $6 for what I got, and that's incredible for shipping. And she sent me a cute little note. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy your books and covers. Much love from Aimee. And so this all came from Aimee Furman. Somebody came and told me, they said, this lady Aimee's got a book sale going. You should go check it out. She's got some Reader's Digests. Hello, Reader's Digest. There's the magic word. Boom, I was gone. So I ran over as fast as my little mouse would click, and I got there in time to get some books, okay? So the first thing that I picked up was this. This is the Laura Ingalls Wilder songbook, and it's fully illustrated, and it is all songs from the books in the story. And look at how awesome condition this cover is. Still has the original dust jacket on it, right? I think I paid like $4 for this. It was nothing. But look at the beautiful plates, engraved plates in here. Gorgeous. And you can actually feel a little bit of a ridge on them still to this day. So they're But look at how gorgeous these are, right? So absolutely love this book. It was library kept, obviously. And so really great condition. I do have all of the other Little House on the Prairie, Laura Ingalls Wilder books. And so maybe I'll make a journal, but, I'm not going to cut this thing up. I just can't. I don't have the heart for it. And you know me, I'm a savage. I'll go after it. So then the other thing that I bought were these right here. And I love these. They still have a little bit of their gold on them. Very little. But this was a set that they put out, Reader's Digest put out. And I saw these and I just had to grab them. They are gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, so these were... This is a first edition, let's see, 1966, and they are the Reader's Digest Best Love Young Readers Stories, and I have the Scarlet Pimpernel, Tom Sawyer, Good Earth, Robin Hood, Little Women, Tales of Poe, Mutiny on the Mutiny on the Bounty, and Marco Polo. They are in great condition. I love these covers, gorgeous. I love the texture and feel of them. I love the inside sheets and everything that they put in these. And, most of the drawings in here are black and white. I'm going to give you that. But some of these do come in color. But look at how gorgeous these are. There's a color one right there. Look at that. Look at how beautiful these are. There's just ever so slight an amount of the gold still on these. And beautiful colors on both of them. Beautiful condition for both of them. And I was fantastically blown away. These were $4 a piece, guys. $4. And I told her, don't gut them. Just because of the subject matter. I think I'm going to give those to Shaylee and Dude and let them, read some of those stories. And then I got these. Now, I love this. This is my favorite version of the Reader's Digest. I love all Reader's Digest, let's be honest, okay? But these are the best sellers, and that means they have a 1-inch spine. So they're great for making smaller journals. As I just used one like this to make the Peter Rabbit that I just did for the mommy book. And look at how nice she gutted these, right? Such a clean job. And they're absolutely gorgeous. They're beautiful. I love this swirling, and I love the texture of them. And for these, usually I use a hidden binding, or I just put a piece of ribbon or lace down the binding to cover my pamphlet stitch, because I love the natural, basic, original form on these. But I love this size, and so I grabbed a couple of those, and she gutted them for me, no problem. And then I saw this, and I loved this book. It had a little bit of water damage on it, but I was okay to live with that. And I got it, and she had a second one, and I didn't get that one. But I did get the first one, and Lois, from Lois Playing with Paper, got the second one, and she sent it to me. So I got two of them, gorgeously gutted. Gorgeous. Look at that. Beautifully gutted. And I got 2 of them, so I might make a 2-volume journal. And it would be in the same cover. Wouldn't that be cool? I'll do like 2 volumes. I'll do like 3 signatures in one and 3 signatures in the other, and it'd just be a huge, massive journal. Can you imagine the gator mouth on that? It would be more like this. Yeah, that would be more like it. It would be, yeah, like that. That's what it would look like on a bookshelf. So I want to thank Lois from Lois Playing with Paper for sending me that beautiful gift, and Aimee over at Aimee Furman for having a fantastic sale. I'm going to link both of their channels below so you guys can go check them out. Do me a favor. Lois is at just under 400. Let's get her to 500 subscribers. Let's go over there and let's ring her bell, pee her in her porch, do all that good stuff. Let's like her, share her, and, you know, follow her, and let's give her some watch time. And Aimee, the same thing. You know, she's one of us guys. She's kind of a smaller channel. She's not tiny, but, you know, still wonderful lady, fantastic sales, great prices, good shipping. Can't say enough. Very, very welcoming. I felt very, very welcome there and very comfortable in her channel, in her box, and I appreciate that so much. So I will link the channels below. Listen, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit my red button and subscribe, like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends, and then your friends can be my friends, and we can all be one big, friendly, crafty community. Until the next time, guys, bye-bye.